Member of Parliament, distinguished guest, all protocols duly observed. Ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all. Students of Mampong Anglican JHS are about to have a play and I feel the bitter taste of distraction. So sit, relax, and enjoy the play. Thank you. Oh, Siabana, our cocoa pods are ready for harvest.
Yes, in Japan, our hard work has finally paid off.
Aiko. Hey, Ato, so are you sure that this man is going to help you? Oh, don't worry. Be careful. Oh, don't worry. Sisi Abena, so are you sure that this man is going to help our parents people? Yeah. Anyways, let's get him and find some food.
Simon!
Yes, so we have found a lot of gold. I thought record. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Nana, please, we are trying to make a living.
I need dirty water. You are not just hurting yourself. You are hurting the entire community. Akoko farms are being destroyed because of your illegal mining activities, and you are here telling me you are just trying to make a living.
Nana, see gold. You don't know.
You are telling me see gold. See how dirty the water is. Let us continue. Ato, I said, one can answer, where can you answer? Ato.
So what water are you going to use and drink? My sister, by the way, let's go. Let's get home to get something to eat.
Hey, Kofi, do you see what I'm seeing?
See what?
Won't you see that our cocoa farm has been destroyed?
By the way, let's go and call the German. A German.
Oh! Look at my cocoa farm. So because of our was illegal mine, look how my cocoa farm has ended. Hey!
This is not just for our family, but our community's future.
No, so what about this? This Ato. Ato, me chiro wa ho Ato.
Hey,
in trouble.
See. And that's still yeah.
The last time we were discussing something about the development of this community, and I said the development of this community is our most top priority. So we must work together so that we achieve it. Prior way, say we are Nemo we back where we are. Mama, Yanka Senia. Yes, partner, you bet me a pardon. They're painful. I hope I'm making myself clear. So currently, you are in charge of the other farm we were preparing for our cocoa production. Okay. So,
greetings, my king and his elders.
we get out.
My king, today I'm very angry. My cocoa farm has been destroyed due to Atos illegal mining. And also my water bodies.
With due respect, you are in front of the king. Talk well.
You have been forgiven. Continue.
Please, I am here to report Atos. Because of this illegal mining, my cocoa farm has been destroyed. And also our water bodies. Look at a sample of water. Look, my elders and my king. Look at it. Do
you remember the other time we went around? You saw them.
We'll go in the Kazao.
You may take your leave.
Thank you, my king.
Nana, we need to take action before our water bodies get spoiled. Yes, Nana, take actions.
Ye bibi ansana ye nkro ya say.
Many cases has been reported, so we need to do something about it.
Nana, do something now.
Nana, we must do something now for our next generation, Nana.
Since all my elders are saying the gong.
Greetings, my king and his elders. My king, you called.
Yes, I call you. Summon all the community members right in front of my elders and I. Now.
Okay, my king.
Greetings, our king and his elders.
Chairman, see, my name to my mouth. And then you many abriye.
Masuma.
Adentina, I was say, open anything up here. Mamma Fry Nanka. A gentleman has reported an issue to me concerning his cocoa farm and our water bodies.
You too, and I'm into my cocoa farm.
Hey, my elders, not only one. Then we must take decision now. Say a jato, ne nebusia ewa ha. Won pia wetiko. No one made na many men play.
We don't need your greeting.
We don't need it. In fact, today I'm really disappointed.
I'll graduate.
My elders.
Cocoa namasai, muni cocoa butter back one. Cocoa butter back is 7,000. And can it discount? Polly, 70 million. Cocoa Sikaya, why am I take my pocket? As I would say, cocoa, seven message my pocket, and then I'm going.
Ato, Obekaya, we make catch us. So one kai answer. Obekaya. Ato, sa na msamu. The Arabic brain, brain, cancer, kidney problem. Okwa, we say, and this is school at time. Baby, Utima, and now back, this young answer. Okwa, this is hospital. Baby, what area, yellow cotton, no one show my motor. Find out we're feeding and now can announce. Of course, you can near the end. The Kaya am where I send penny back, the penny penny. I could I won't say you don't want peace, you want problem. When you don't wait, yes, it's also yes, it's also I'm away by the cocoa and the town back and I buy natural.
Kalam Samuye, Fasu Pempana Munyawos, and Namunya good and a diamond. What Namunya Biwana? Munya Biwa, I didn't know what I say, or some would dine them. Mama made them way out, especially Mukolana woman. Namika Samako Skuka Kramu and Imdeka Krafa Kukomo. Munimo Fasu Koko in my young crew. Now, Papa Penus, what's now from your home of France? What do we say? You soon young Coco, then Kayan to Tona Sepra. We tell it now to say one yama. I was say you soon in that dear why you walk us up and said it to one of my function.
The Jackson in the bush. Let Mamma Rambo. It's a cocoa, I must say. A dear Benny and Finger in Chirimapo. Mamma can't train. Mamika Abacosam can craving trust. Ghana who don't see. That the Pashiko Fernando Po. No Papa Cocoa about the shanning me. The bay so obey the ashes say, Be Anna. I'm Panso. I am a young so Pasume pray woman. Young Pasume pray woman. If I should even say, yes, to a dime, hospital, factories, and roads, and in your account. Cocoa Yansun Yadi escort, Apaman on it, my foreign exchange. Cocoa Yansun Yadi Sia Wawa Manu. Cocoa Yetimidi Milo, chocolate, biscuit, Samina Nemini Dari. Remain, a man won't say it now. Cocoa Nibiani at the air. mo bottle bread. Na me dio, sorry wo semti. Mendi. Kokoi, enwa na afibia wo na usika wo. Afibia so wata to price ni. Ye mu ye de mo anya de kra.
Ejato. Ipefu wo baby say. Se usun konto kwa free we kasa bread. Na tell you. Isu tai upon tirani oje wo. Me kai say, me na na ne pefu kwa ina asase a obetu dia bia kokoi. Oka kire o say, se o to wo wodan a esan ba wa oso.
No. Yanya ne say na me. Yanya ne say na ame. Se mo de wiase ngamwe. No toma, rompe, ali sohwe. E kaya ya mua, efutu, ne sakra nipa, nemu ade sohwe. Ti etu mofo, na mutie, anaye kasa chem na kamutie a. Nke ni se, budina he. Wei, yes so so. Yes so so kwa. You. Sani ame penye sini. Me say ni ame kan na me penye medika. Na ni ame de be kan kakra ni say. Me di mu ya ba. Sani ame ko so anyi ba kan. We educated. You know the importance of cocoa. But you ignored cocoa and went in for galamsey. Therefore, you must face the consequences. You see yo. Mr. Ameyo. Missing soon, Antana Maham.
I know.
Now, Nemo, we have meditation. Sunday, Penny, I will try Janina when I share. Yinka na yepepa. Nemo, we did it, Mika.
Oh, Clotilde, but I come my
Please, you sent for us.
Yes, I sent for you. Do you see these three innocent faces? They've offended this community, and therefore they must bear the consequences. Take them to the police custody. Can't go into the court. Many may painful. Going to clear them. Baba will be more on life imprisonment.
They have the right to remain silent. Otherwise, anything you say, use against you.
My community members, did you just see what happened to Edato and his family members?
Yes.
I hope none of you want the same thing to happen to you. Therefore, my community members, what should we do?
We should stop illegal mining and plant more cocoa trees.
So with the play we had entitled The Bitter Taste of Destruction, we all saw how the illegal mining led in destroying of the cocoa farms and also the water bodies. So I would urge all the people of Mampong and beyond to come together and fight against illegal mining.